green. It's long sleeve. Wow, this is fit for you. It's a pants. Look, Bob, it's another pants for sleeping. Yay! Look, Bob. Wow, I like this. Straight up mama's boy. I like this. You're so handsome for that. It's very all clothes are fit to him.
I see that. I can still take it. See.
You see?
What?
But I
That's okay.
perfect.
Wow. I like this.
But,
This is small.
I don't know. I just threw it in there.
My nose itchy. Wow. Thank you. This is dinosaur. Look. A dinosaur.
Sit down.
Sit down. Oh, wow. For travel. You're laughing. Wow. This is nice. I think you can wear this on your birthday.
Maybe small.
No, it's not. It's a lot of bigger. He has a lot of clothes. I thought it's only few. Dad's sidekick. Peekaboo. It's really cold there because you have a lot of sweatshirt. This is nice for sleeping. This daddy packing so good. This is a car. Boo. He's playing with the toys. Peekaboo. Boo, he said peekaboo. This is big.
Cars.
Car, yeah, it's car. This is fit for you. It's major. What's it? Major hand.
Cool guy.
It's big. This is big. Mwah.
Puppy power. Puppy power.
Puppy Pow. Pow Patrol. This is big. Wow, pants. Another sweatshirt for Halloween.
Halloween.
Red.
Pants.
Red.
Red, yeah, color red. Pants. Oh, wow.
Yellow.
You have a big pants already. Oh, for
Yellow.
this is nice.
Hello?
For go to church.
Color.
Travel.
Color.
Color
Yellow.
yellow. But that is big. The last one I got shirt. I get it from my dad. Perfect for last one. That is many. Wow. And mommy got the
Orange.
orange. Yeah, it's orange. With a silk. Oh, why you put it back there?
Don't ruin the paper.
Yeah, so this is
Red hat. Red hat.
red hat. Yeah, it's red hat.